Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have not done a 5-ish minute makeup tutorial in a long time. I think the last time I did it was when I was pregnant with Olive. This 5-minute makeup is great if your baby is on you, if she's sleeping, if you know you have a spare 5 minutes in the bathroom. This is perfect for you. I hope you guys enjoy, and if you want to see a super quick everyday makeup look, keep on watching. Got my phone here, got my timer. 5 minutes. Foundation slash, this is like a gel cream hydrating tinted. It's from BareMinerals. It's in Natural 05. Biggest tip, if you just want to feel put together and have minimal makeup, put a little bit of tan on your face. Honestly, like I feel like it just always makes me feel a little bit more put together and that life has entered my body, because I don't know, when I'm pale, I just feel like it's more work to put makeup on to hide blemishes or scars and all that fun stuff. So I like to use my Lusotan on a big fluffy brush and basically use it as a contour at night. Sleep on it, and then in the morning, looks like I just came back from vacation. Okay, normally Olive is like crawling all around me. If you guys follow me on Instagram, then you'll see that she definitely likes to be a part of the makeup process in the morning. That's it for foundation. Concealer is another BareMinerals product. It's the Well Rested. It's like a powder concealer, really cool concept. Just take a little bit on this brush. That's too much. Swirl it around the cap. You don't need a lot. You'll see. It like instantly brightens up under your eyes. And I kind of just work this in areas that I want to be brightened. And it's probably the quickest way to put on concealer, if I'm being totally honest. So I just really work it into my skin in areas that I just need a little bit more coverage. Basically everywhere except for like the parts I would bronze. You guys know I've been keeping it super minimal since having Olive, and you know, when I find a product that I really like, that I find works, does the job, and also makes it super quick, I really want to recommend it to you guys because I fully believe in it. And I think you guys would really love it too. So that's our face complete. Not really, because we have bronzer and blush, but face, I mean. Bronzer, Too Faced bronzer, chocolate. Love this stuff. I always come back to it. Again, because I put on some tan, I don't need a lot of this. Just gonna layer it on top of the areas I want to pop a little bit more. A little bit on my nose. What's a nose contour anymore? No mom has time to nose contour, that's for sure. A little bit under my lip and jawline. Bring that brightness down ever so slightly. Blush. Ooh, I have a couple good contenders here. I'm gonna double up on blush. You guys know I love it. I can't stay away from it. This is MAC Coppertone. I'm gonna swirl it around on this brush and keep it mostly on the apples of my cheek. I honestly feel like if my face and like base is all perfected, I don't really care about the rest of my face. I just want it to look like my skin looks nice and healthy and dewy. So honestly, I'd use my full 5 minutes on my face sometimes. So obviously I did my brows before because I had to film something else, but if I'm being totally honest, I probably take a full minute on my brows. So 6-minute makeup, sue me. Gonna double up on blush. This is the Bobbi Brown Johnson. It is a cheek palette. It has a highlighter and a blush in it, both cream products. Love a good cream product. This is just going to amplify a healthy look on your face. The blush alone just kind of gives a really dewy glow to your skin, and it's just, oh, it's gorgeous. I really love that. Just gonna soften any harsh lines right there because I went a little bit crazy. How are we looking for time? Okay, under a minute left. Oh my gosh. If I wasn't talking, this would be so much faster. I'm gonna curl my lashes here. This is an Estee Lauder Sumptuous Extreme Mascara. Really wiggle it into the roots and then pull up. That's just gonna give you fullness and length in one shot. I really only got one shot at doing our makeup, guys. Normally I like to let that dry, and then I do go in with a second coat later when I have a sec. Lips. This is up to you. Oh no! I ran out of time. Okay. let's take away the talking. I probably still have like 35 seconds left, maybe like another minute. This is a NYX liner. It's in the shade Nude Suede Shoes. I love to line my lips. This is not everyone's thing, but I love to line my lips because I find whatever I put on top of my lips afterwards, it just lasts longer. So that's something I like to do. You have to kind of pick and choose what your thing is with your makeup when it comes down to like 5 to 7 minutes. Like if you really love brows and mascara, then focus on that. If you're a skin person like myself, focus on your base and then quickly do the other thing. So you kind of have to alter it to whatever is your thing. If you already have full brows, then like you probably could do your makeup in like 3 minutes. So I'm gonna line my lips here. And then lastly is this Nudestix Lip Intense Matte Lip and oh my gosh, Intense Matte Lip and Cheek Pencil in Purity. Pop that on. Like I mentioned before, normally I like to do a second coat. Obviously this is not a part of the 5 minute. I am totally fine going out like this, but since I got you here, I'm gonna do a second coat of mascara. See the difference between 1 coat and 2 coats? It's life-changing, guys. That is my updated 5-ish. I'm gonna put ish in the title to make sure no one comes at me that the alarm went off a minute before I actually was finished my makeup. But I don't feel like I need to wear makeup on an everyday basis, but sometimes it just gives you that boost of confidence you need. And I personally just love putting a little bit of makeup on my face to make me feel alive. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads. I hope you guys have a wonderful day and I'll see you soon. Bye.